Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we will be making tin fish curry, and we are going to market to purchase the tin fish. But today it is Sunday, so most of the shop are closed. So but a few people are open, so we are purchasing this tin fish. You can see they are bought adjacent. This is Marcolin Junction. You see the road that is going straight, it will lead to Manipur, and the one that we are going right now, it is bypass road, by which you can go to Silchar, then you can go to Delhi, then America. While you are going to Silchar, if your tanky is empty, you can fill your tanky here, and you can go anywhere in the world. Okay. Now pour some oil and heat the oil. When the oil is hot, put onion. Make the onion golden brown.
Focus tool.
Add ginger garlic paste.
Lens 대장은 합법네. 좀 많이 쩔어.
Add green chili. Add tomato. Stir for a while and let the tomato release its water. Now put turmeric powder. Now cumin powder.
According to your taste.
Now salt according to your taste.
Chili flakes.
We are not putting any chili flakes because we have put enough green chilies.
세 막은 거 보세. 존나 못 나와.
Now you can see tomato has already released its water. Now we'll add potatoes. While the curry is getting ready, we are having some snacks. You can see we have, can you say, lâu vừa say? We are roasting maize, and it will taste great. Now let's put the tin fish, the main hero of this curry. Let it simmer for a while. Let's pick coriander from our kitchen garden. Now garnish with coriander and the dish is ready to serve. So this is for it today. Okay, bye bye.